Dear friends, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Veterinary Medicine. The disease anthrax is very long and it is important also. So I have made the video in three parts. The first part already we have seen. The second part, anthrax part 2, contain clinical signs, zoonosis and necropsy findings. Here we will see the clinical signs in cattle and sheep because the cattle and sheep are highly susceptible, and in cattle and sheep many a time it express the peracute form. You know that peracute form means all of a sudden development of symptoms or may not be symptoms, very severe symptom, and within a day or two there is a death of the animal, sometime without showing symptom. So here see peracute form, there is sudden death without premonitory signs. Animal may not show any signs, but upon close observation of this peracute form, the clinician may observe or owner may observe the following signs. There is high fever, trembling of muscle tremor, great difficulty in respiration, and congestion of mucous membrane. These all are the signs of septicemia. Animal collapse and die due to terminal convulsion. This occurs in a very short period, sometime 3 to 4 hours or sometime a day. After death, there is characteristic finding oozing of blood from natural orifices, such as the blood is found from nostril, mouth, anus, and vulva. This is the characteristic of the anthrax. In cattle and sheep, some animal manifest acute form also. The incubation period of the anthrax is 1 to 2 weeks, so outbreak will not occur very fast. If the incubation period is short, the outbreak occur very fast. But here, 1 to 2 weeks. The course of acute form is 2 days, 48 hours. There is high fever, characteristic of the disease, severe depression, listlessness, congestion and hemorrhage of mucous membrane. Another important sign of septicemia. Increased heart rate and rapid respiration. There is great dyspnea, again symptom of septicemia. There is great dyspnea, difficulty in respiration to such an extent that there is mouth breathing. Animals start taking respiration from mouth. That is due to oxygen hunger due to anoxia as well as edema and septicemia. There is abortion, decreased milk yield, blood stained or deep yellow colored milk, diarrhea. Another important signs, local edema. Local edema occur of the tongue, throat, sternum, perineum, and the flank region. This edema is also a characteristic clinical findings of anthrax. Clinical signs in pigs. Cattle and sheep are highly susceptible. Pigs are not much highly susceptible. Not susceptible, too much. Some manifest acutely and subacute symptoms. There is high temperature, dullness, anorexia, distinct inflammatory edema in the throat and face. This high temperature and inflammatory edema in throat and face is a characteristic of disease. There is painless swelling causes obstruction of the esophagus and pressure on the trachea, which leads to swallowing difficulty and respiration difficulty. Blood stained froth present at the mouth. There is petechial hemorrhage of the skin and descent. In baby pigs, there is pulmonary form is observed. In this baby pigs, there is lobar pneumonia, exudative pleurisy, that pleura contain plenty of fluid, and death in 1 or 2 days. Clinical signs in horse. Horse is not very much susceptible, but horse shows always acute infection by ingestion. There is septicemia, enteritis, and colic in horse. You know the colic means abdominal pain. There is uneasiness. The horse frequently lie down and get up. Frequent urination, kicking at the belly, swishing of the tail, and frequently bending the abdomen. That characteristic shows that there is colic in the horse. There is painful edematous and subcutaneous swelling in throat, over the lower neck region, floor of the thorax, abdomen, prepuce, and mammary gland. There is high fever, severe depression, dyspnea, great difficulty in respiration. That is due to swelling of the throat. The course of the disease is 48 to 96 hours. The anthrax is zoonotic disease, transmissible from man to animal, animal to man. So, as a clinician, we should be very much careful, take all the care that we should not contract the disease. This is a fatal disease in human beings. Bacillus anthracis, the organism, is used as bioterrorism, used to kill the human beings in other countries. Bioterrorism. And this Bacillus anthracis and anthrax is listed as category A disease by OIE WHO, Office International Epizootics. In human being, there is occupational hazard. It causes a famous disease called wool sorter's disease. This disease is by inhalation of spores that is floating from the wool and hide. There are wool sorters working in woolen industries, and in leather industry they are processing hides. These anthrax spore bacilli enters these workers, wool sorters, into the body through inhalation. Inhalation of spore causes abscess and serious carbuncle into the lungs of this wool sorter that is working in sorting out of wool in woolen industry and processing of hide and skin in leather industry. So in human being it causes occupational hazard, wool sorters disease. We have the clinical finding, some of the characteristic clinical finding: high temperature and edema and septicemic clinical findings. So chances of misdiagnosis is very less. Here we will see necropsy finding in anthrax. Necropsy finding also very easy to diagnose the disease. After death of the animal, there is absence of rigor mortis and there is quick gaseous decomposition of the body, that is quick bloating of the body. The body become full with gas, especially abdomen, and the animal shows characteristic sawhorse posture. The body is full of gas, bloats. There is unclotted, dark terry red color blood oozes out through natural orifices. This is also a very characteristic. Natural orifices such as nostril, mouth, anus, vulva. The blood is oozes out through that. The third characteristic is of spleen. The spleen becomes soft and greatly enlarged with blackberry jam consistency. This is an important feature of the anthrax. Clinicians remember the carcass suspicious of anthrax on clinical finding should not be opened before confirmation made by peripheral smear examination. Anthrax is a dangerous disease. In body, the anthrax bacilli has a capsule, but as soon as it come in contact with external environment, they form resistant spores which live long in the environment and soil for many years. So remember here, anthrax suspected carcass should not be open. For the diagnosis, collect the blood smear, send to the laboratory. In the laboratory diagnosis we will see in the next video. There is pharyngeal form of anthrax in horses and pigs. There is enlargement of lymph node and lesion in soft tissues of the neck and pharynx. Dear friends, you have seen Dr. Wait video. Requested to share as many to as possible to give the knowledge to them. Requested to subscribe. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time I will come with anthrax part 3. Thank you.